Okay, so
Okay,
STP
sir.
is used to avoid loop in layer 2 network. Okay, STP is
Okay, sir.
enabled on Cisco switches by default. So what is loop? The first question is what is loop? If we have four switches in the local area network, connected like this, four switches. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
this one is switch 1, switch 2, switch 3, and switch 4. Okay, if I can
Yes, yes.
send any frame or BPDU from this switch to this switch. Switch 2 received and forward to the switch 3, and the switch 3 forward to the switch 4, and it also forward the switch 1. So regular transmission of the BPDU in local area network create a loop back. Oh, sorry, it create a loop in the network. Okay, bro.
Okay, sir.
So loop is the
Sir,
regular transmission of frame or BPDU on return. Huh, bro.
sir, but we have discussed in STP end going to end, sir.